Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to create a new express booking. The purpose of using an express booking is to open and save a debtor-patient file on your system as soon as a booking for a new patient is made. As a result, there is no need to do a debtor add after the booking is made. The new patient will be saved as the debtor and the patient on their file. To use this feature, ensure that the Enable Express Debtor on Booking setting is enabled in both the Entity Settings and User Entity Settings. If you do wish to edit the new patient's file, the View or Update Debtor and Patient Information User manual link is available in this video's description. On the correct diary, either double-click on a time slot or click on the New Booking button in the top right corner. The Add Edit Booking screen will open. Complete the fields in the Booking Details section. Because this is a booking for a new patient, we will proceed to the Patient Details section. Take note that with an express booking, only the Patient Details section will be available. Begin by selecting the type of patient from the drop-down menu. Choose between normal, private or IOD. It's important to complete the required fields such as the patient's name, surname, cell phone number and ID number. For a normal patient, complete the medical aid option and medical aid number fields. For a private patient, the medical aid option field will automatically revert to the private patient option. For an IOD patient, the medical aid option field will change its drop-down options. Choose between Government WCA Acute and IOD Acute. The medical aid number field will also change to the claim number field. Remember to complete the additional fields such as the date of injury, injury description, and employer. Click the Close button to exit the Add Edit Booking screen without saving the new patient's express booking. Once the new patient's information is completed and you wish to continue saving the booking, click on the Save button. The new express booking is now saved on the diary. You will notice that the booking's A icon is green, indicating that the debtor-patient file exists on your system and that there are currently no outstanding amounts on their account. From here, you can add and/or edit this debtor-patient file by clicking on their booking and then clicking on the Debtor Edit in the diary sidebar.